Master the date, using on for specific dates. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering dates and calendars in English. Today we will delve into a very specific but essential topic: how to use the preposition on with specific dates. Mastering this usage will greatly improve your English conversation skills, so let's get started. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand the role on plays when talking about dates. The preposition on is used to indicate specific dates in a month, days of the week, and specific moments in a day. When talking about dates, on links the action to the particular day something happens. For example, I was born on the 20th of July. We are having a meeting on Friday. Remember, when we're talking about a specific date or day, we use on. Now, let's dive into some examples of how we use on with specific dates. We use on when we're talking about dates on the 5th, on the 21st, days of the week, on Monday, on Friday, special days, on New Year's Day, on my birthday. Here are some sentences to illustrate this. We are going on a trip on the 10th of June. She always visits her grandmother on Sundays. He is throwing a party on his birthday. It's important to know when not to use on. We don't use on with this, next, last, when they're used with morning, afternoon, evening, night, week, month, year, Monday, etc. Incorrect usage. I will see you on next week. Incorrect. He will arrive on this evening. Incorrect. Correct usage. I will see you next week. Correct. He will arrive this evening. Correct. Make sure to remember this rule to avoid common English mistakes. And that's a wrap for today's lesson, learners. We've covered how to use on with specific dates, when to use it, and common mistakes to avoid. Now you're ready to apply these rules in your day-to-day conversations, making your English sound even more natural. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for our next lesson. Happy learning!